In a typical American suburban home, security is a major concern. Especially with the recent package thefts and occasional intruders. Many homeowners install outdoor security cameras around their property to monitor the key areas like front door, backyard, and driveway. And these cameras must be reliable, waterproof, and provide clear footage day and night. However, setting them up isn't always straightforward, and powering them can be a real challenge. Because in the US, setting up outdoor security cameras isn't as simple as just to plug them in. Electronic work is tightly regulated, meaning you can't just run wires outside or install a new outlet without jumping through legal and safety hoops. Most jobs require a licensed electrician, which isn't cheap. Labor, material, and permits, that can add up fast. Try to DIY it? One wrong move could mean that fire risk and insurance headaches. It's a hustle that homeowners would rather escape. And this is where Passthrough PoE Switch changes the game. So what exactly is a Passthrough PoE Switch? It's a versatile network device that acts as a both power over Ethernet switch and extender, taking power from the upstream PoE source like BT90-watt PoE injector and passing it along to multiple connected devices through single Ethernet cable. Think of it as a power and a data hub that eliminates the need for extra wiring or local power supplies, making a game changer for both home and industrial use. And try to imagine this. You plug a single BT90-watt PoE injector inside, maybe in your garage or Unity closet, just near a router, and then you run one Ethernet cable outside through the small hole or existing conduit. Outside, you mount a waterproof Passthrough PoE switch, a compact little hub. From there, you just connect your PoE cameras with the short Ethernet cables. That one cable from inside takes both power and data, and the switch takes care of the rest. And why is this a win? First, it's safe and legal. It's no high voltage AC wiring. That means you are not playing the electrician or breaking codes. And the PoE is a low voltage, typically just 48 volts, and widely accepted for DIY installs under US regulations. Second, it's cost effective. You escape the electrician bills and extra hardware, keep your wallet happy. Third, it's clean and simple. One cable instead of a spider web of wires. That fits the American love for streamlined, low-maintenance solutions. Fourth, it's flexible. A BT90-watt injector paired with Passthrough PoE Switch can power several cameras, so you can cover the whole property without maxing out. And since it's Ethernet-based, you get a rock-solid connectivity and no Wi-Fi dropout during the storm. For homeowners who want secured without turning their Saturday into the construction project day, this setup is a dream. Professional-grade results with a DIY-friendly approach. Check the link down below to learn more information about Passthrough PoE Switch.